how to create a McDonald's account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the McDonald's app on your device or on the web. Further, tap on the account option you see there on the top left and you will see the option to register or log in. So if you already have an account, then you can tap on the login option and enter your login credentials in order to log yourself in. And if you don't have an account, then tap on the register option you see there and you will see various options for registering. You can simply register using your email ID, or if you want, you can also sign up using your Apple account or your Facebook account or your X account. In today's video, I will sign in using my email, so go ahead and enter your email and then enter the password for your email, and further go ahead and tap on the I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy radio button you see there, and finally tap on the sign up option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, you will be required to enter the verification code sent to the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code and then agree to the terms and services again, and finally tap on the continue button. And with this, as you can see, your McDonald's account has been created. So this is how you can create a McDonald's account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.